Ladies and gentlemen, Vincent Nguyen from Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. This is a location where aviation fan must know. I'm one of aviation history fan. And talk about aviation, the first plane in the air, the Wright brothers. Here is the place, Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. It's here in 1903. The Wright brothers designed a thing called airplane later on. This object is heavy than air, first flight, only short, but make aviation history. The first flight of a heavy than air object called airplane. Before that's a hot air balloon, which is less than heavy than air, okay? Less than air. But this first object is heavier than air, called airplane. Now, the location is you say it's nothing, it's just a quiet neighborhood. This is my car right there, and out there is a road, and this is just a small alley road, okay? It leads to that. But behind me is a marker where the Wright brother garage set up and built the first object they call heavy than air object. Right here, location. Okay. Not only just a neighborhood, have a house and house, but this location should be world famous. Okay. Let me zoom in for you to see and read it, what it say. Okay, let's walk closer. Can you read those? Okay, on this spot, okay. Okay, hope everybody can read those. 1903 and 1928 they built a monument, and this is a replica because this is rebuilt in. Okay, let's walk around. This empty place used to be the garage of the Wright brothers. And that is down below. The inscription says people rebuilt this 1987. The original 1928 property is gone, but this is the new one. Anyway, this is the location of the Wright brother who built the first airplane, and then out there the sand dune of North Carolina. In Kitty Hawk, they fly the airplane. The plane only short fly, like 100 feet or so, but make history, okay? There is another monument, actually it's National Museum. We'll visit later on. It's open at 9 o'clock. We're only at 8:20, 8:10 right now, so we wait a little bit. But this, everybody, history was made right here. That's it, simple place. It's a shame because it must be a big museum. It's a shame. Ciao now from Kitty Hawk, North Carolina.